All right, Mama. So what you think so far?
Yeah, I like the color. It match up with my paint. See?
I see. I thought we was gonna have to change that paint.
No.
But maybe not.
I was good at.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait till you see your countertops. Shit might look a little bit better.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh, she's scared.
Come on.
She's scared of the thing.
Oh, Lord have mercy. So this is where we are so far. Getting everything put. All of the stuff is in. We had a little mishap. Yeah, guys measured wrong. It's gonna cost me a little bit more than we originally thought, but I won't have to pay it right now because they made the mistake.
It wasn't us.
Yeah, it wasn't us. So we're gonna come right back.
So this is how the like a sketch look.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to look.
Hopefully.
Well, no, it's gonna be changed at the bottom where the dishwasher is. Right here, they mismeasured, so there's gonna be another cabinet here and then another cabinet on that side.
So I'll go with the dishwasher.
So it's gonna change a little bit with the mismeasure, but hopefully it's still gonna be
good.
Yeah, it's still gonna look good.
What you think, Ari? What you
Say Belle's Kitchen will be coming soon.
soon? Still working on. Where's the rest of the stuff that they putting up? And this look good so far. This looks so beautiful. Hello. He's doing good with his job. So he did this by himself.
Later we put in the top, or you can.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let them see it's still in the truck.
You wanna check the color?
No, it's okay. So this the countertops, guys, that they gonna put in our kitchen. So it's still in the truck, and they have this stuff that they gonna put it in, I guess, to measure and cut the ground. So they messed up together. He's doing good. That was fast. That's how they making it. So we're gonna get to see how they put the cabinet together, like how they stay. Very nice, very fast. This probably just put it up for like about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Make sure I'm not on somebody else's way. No, Papi. No, I have to use it. this one that he just finished doing. Very good. Very good. So that's done. Good job, sir. What was that? Here's the cutter, here's the worker. And here's our granite countertop. Open up the granite.
Michael name, big boss.
Big boss? That's a big boss? So yeah guys, so this is, they put the wood first before they put the granite on top of it. So they're gonna do the same thing here. And up there. Let's put up the sink. Look guys. And it's beautiful. Almost done. They almost done. So I think guys that's where the part where they gonna put the other one that he doing.
You too much in high, huh?
He doing like he's the best man. Like he did all this work by himself. Like he just like let somebody help him to put up this, like to pick up this thing, but all these cabinets and stuff he did it by himself guys. So, yeah, so that's where they gonna put the other granite that they're doing right now. As you can see on that spot that it's open.